here, because everybody was saying it last night. They so country. We straight, y'all. We straight. Y'all see who behind me? It ain't Drama Hawk this time. My baby is not here with me. You know, get on my last nerve, but that's behind me right there. That right there, that pretty pink thing, that's Miss Carrie. So let me tell y'all something. So this right here is purple. That right there is pink. This right here is purple. That right there is pink. But again, guess who hired me? Miss Carrie, baby. Ain't in person yet. You see me? I ain't seen this thing in person yet. He got the whole action set up. Like this the setup right here. Y'all see what's on the back of here. Y'all know Badget did all of this. Badget, I always say Badget Motorsports. Let me get it correct just for the camera, even though I call him Badget all day long. Badget Bled 392, and this 2.0 right here. This thing so clean. Good morning.
Morning.
I see it. Woo. Oh, yeah, we out here. North Carolina.
I know it's a little bit
Diablo out there doing his thing.
So I got
Woo.
three special guests came in the field.
Woo!
Moody Cat is in the field.
Hey!
So if you don't know who she is, you need to follow her YouTube channel.
Period.
Miss Carrie is in the building. She's the biggest slider, female slider. So you might want to check her out. So I'm just saying, man, just
We top notch on top of this shit.
I know it's hot. We're gonna try to end this.
Good morning! Bro, you was purping last night.
Hey.
You ain't never come back.
Huh?
We ain't never come back.
You said you want to race?
Who? Who? Right now? Line that shit up. Who? I'm not scared of this. You thought I was supposed to be scared?
Don't worry about it.
Alright. Wait, we already starting?
Don't worry about it.
It's alright.
It's early. We ain't gonna talk about it.
You feel me? I thought that one was yours.
You don't know nothing yet?
Well, damn. Let me get up. Let me get into that shit. Let me understand. Oh, man. This the same place that E-Vapors went to?
Yep.
This thing clean, though. Oh, that's live. I fuck with that 797 on the back like that. That's hard.
Appreciate it.
Hey, y'all see that? Just in case y'all missed it. This nigga really got 797. That shit hard. I like that. I spill that shit. Oh man, y'all. It's so hot out here. I'm gonna check on Moody Cat. She back here getting washed. Jen! Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
I'm good. Hot, but I'm good.
Y'all get some breakfast?
Yeah, we did. They gave us $100 breakfast for free. I was like,
What?
we sat there and ate out. Well, we didn't eat it all, actually. We couldn't.
You going back tonight?
Yeah, I'm leaving right after this.
Well, how many hours? 7?
Yep. 7.5. Ain't too bad. I gotta go find Moody Cat and check on her. They took her to the back. I think they kidnapped her. Moody Cat is missing in action, y'all. Stay tuned, because I'm on the hunt to go find my baby. That's my baby. You know how I'm about to, you know that tracker I'm gonna get? Where I just be like, beep, beep, beep. You know, on Pacifier, or yeah, Pacifier with Vin Diesel. Beep, 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 beep. Y'all, this long. Here she goes. They all looking like, why the fuck did she just walk back here? No reason. No pun intended. There goes my baby. Oh, that thing nice too. She dirty as shit. So I just came back here. That thing sound like it's moving. But I like the wheels on this thing. But there she go. I had to just come check on her. I know they're looking at me like, why in the fuck did she just come back here like that? No pun intended, no reason. I'm just moving. I know they like, why she come back here? So I just walking. I ain't got nothing better to do. Y'all hear this quiet ass Jeep? Hey, it was too quiet. I had to come closer to hear it.
Hey, idols, it be loud.
Oh, I knew it. Nah, I had to get closer. I couldn't hear it all the way over there. Now this is clean though. You race?
By the river right now, she's trying to hear it again.
All right. Do you race?
Yeah, pretty soon I'm getting ready to do the track.
Okay, you ain't did the track yet?
Nah, I got a complete Ford engine right now.
Okay.
You rest to be gone. You rest for years. You rest for years.
They not dead, I'm not sure. They told me to come over here.
It definitely look like y'all ready for a whole interview over here. Y'all definitely got the whole setup ready. Like they about to record y'all biography, whatever it is. That's love. I love it. Y'all so pretty.
Where your crew at?
My crew's missing. Nah, he packing. Cause we leaving tomorrow to Houston, so he packing. So I can't come out here with the kids, and I wasn't even supposed to make this trip. I was just like, let me go ahead and.
So y'all moving to Houston?
So we're gonna get a condo. What's up? How you doing?
Yo, I told bro that he need to get a spot down here. As much as y'all be down here, you need to get one too. Might as well be y'all second home.
Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Alright, y'all see that? Y'all see this thing? My brother out here. Stunner Reese in the flesh, y'all heard him. Y'all see Drac? Oh, clean and glistening. See the interior on his thing. I be trying to figure out if my shoes look. My shoes do look as good though, but that's a clean ass interior. Well, it's a clean car in general. And then you got Bled. Y'all see Moody Cat, don't be trying to play me. Y'all see Bled around this thing. Y'all see these cars. Oh no, I'm coming back. Oh, I ain't even look. I gotta come back. I'm trying to start over here and then work my way in. Look, he like, nah, I'm coming. We out here. We out here. I think we seen this. The first time we ever seen this was at Myrtle Beach. Mopar's on the beach, and it was last year. This was the first time we ever seen this car before. But it's been a year. That's crazy. Literally. Caught you looking. Caught you looking. Caught you looking. Well, I'm trying to get out here because it's hot. So it feels a little bit better right now. So I'm trying to go ahead and get y'all some of this lit content. Woo. Woo. Y'all see these big boys out here? These trucks came out here. They forward, but I ain't saying nothing. Woo. Now y'all already know my boy out here. Oh, but you hear the beat, so we cool to go out of space with. You got the galaxy. Oh, this man really got guns in it. Oh, okay. Okay, I wonder if he ride with this mask on, y'all. Pull up at the light and catch him like that, though. One of the coldest setups. And then, he thought I was about to miss him. We had to come back. Y'all see? Go follow. It's the rims. He got the Forgiatos. This thing clean as. He got the butterfly doors as well. Y'all know the butterfly door gang. 4 of your doors butterfly doors or just the front two?
Just the front two.
That's the front two. What made you decide to only do the front two?
No, the front, the back coming.
Oh, they coming?
Yeah, they coming.
So which one you thought was gonna be better? You think all 4 or just the 2 on the Charger?
The back is gonna be suicide doors. Angie Motorsports doing it here soon.
Period. I like that. That's right. I like that. Okay. Okay. He coming with the. He coming. It's too slow. I can't get in that car.
I know, but you can just sit in there. I ain't got no damn.
It's too clean. Hey. Let's see the simplify. It's clean. He got the whole interior back. He got the whole thing. He got the whole thing on the seats. This joint cold. Then he got the thing. I ain't gonna hold you. I think I'm gonna have to get me some of these to put across Drama Hawk and Moody Cat and say you can't touch. Hey, them hard. Them live. And they got the whole customized. Y'all seen this at Mopar's on the beach. He said, mess with the beast, we will put a bullet in your chest.
What?
Woo! Nah, this thing live though. Check out his show board. Black pearl show boards. It's Mopar, so I ain't really. Woo! Megatron. We got OTF, only the family. Ooh. This is the guy right here. This Warrior Scott. Remember, if you remember from the last time we was in North Carolina, again, Grayson Strong Pack. Grayson Strong Pack. Go support him and go support his family and his channel. That's real love right there. That's real family. That's like I said, he all about his son and bringing awareness to a rare disease his son got. So that's something that's big and that's something that should be glorified. He put Hellcat on his. Okay. And so just y'all, I kind of went by that a little bit quick, but he made sure y'all know that this is a Hellcat. He said Hellcat with the bimbo brakes on here. Okay. Whoa. Ooh. They got some little toys out here. We at a shop, cause then it's slow. How are you doing?
We gotta talk to this man right here. Oh, hold on. Gotta go.
Ooh. Y'all see these things?
He about to go fly that drone.
Yeah, I see these.
He's gonna go fly that.
They say screw the Mopars, this the main event.
It ain't like a normal electric.
Woo!
This shit here.
Yeah.
They got this shit. They ended that shit right on time, y'all.
Yeah, big
Cause
time.
if we would have still been out here so fast.
Yeah, they got rid of the trophies right
Just
on
in time, yep.
Woo!
Man. Man, y'all can stand over there, man.
Start on the leg. Don't say bye to y'all know what I'm out of.
Yeah.
I'm going to say bye.
They just get on slide down the pool.
Alright, y'all, so that was the end of that crazy car show. Y'all see my brother is behind me. He's on his way back to Chicago. I'm on my way back to Cincinnati to get ready for this big move. So stay tuned for that and stay tuned for everything that we about to drop. Go ahead, because I know all the comments gonna be about putting my seatbelt on. So let me go ahead and do that before I get those 50 comments. I appreciate y'all for helping me and keeping me safe. So definitely appreciate that. All love. But yeah, so stay tuned for this, y'all. We about to be on the road again. So why my brother think he about halfway home and think he got the nerve to pass me? They think he got the nerve to pass